Yeah guys, let me to introduce you the Afghanistan most beautiful Attan that we call it Zazai Attan, that the Afghanistan traditional dance it is. I hope you like, and I'm waiting for your suggestion in part of comment. So let's see. Yeah, this is the next step of Attan. 3 clips and 3 spin. Yeah, this is really cool. This is a 1 clips and 1 spin. This is really cool. See it. I love this music. It's really nice. Hope you like it. Listen to music. It's really cool. Yeah guys, that is the end of our video. Hope you like and enjoy it, and I will bring and introduce a lot of more beautiful and nice video to you. So please subscribe the channel and press the like button. That gives me a lot of positive energy, and I love you so much guys, and I'm waiting for your comment in part of comment section. Please give me a nice really cool comment, and if you have any suggestion and next video, tell me in part of comment. Bye bye.